Right then, bit of a different one, because I'm in the spray booth over at the body shop. So this Caddy van, it's one of two that we bought. The other one's still available as well. That's ready to rock. We'll put a link to that and some pictures or whatever. But this is the other one. This one had a little bit more damage. This one's a Cat N, so it's non-structural, just superficial damage. So it had some sort of wrap on it, and down as vandal damage as well, which I don't know whether it because the wrap had been took off with a Stanley knife basically, and there was some dints and scratches, so it's had a bit of filler here and there, and some pin pulling to get rid of some little dents and stuff. But because the other one's not sold, that's a white one, black wheels, pretty plain. This one we're going to go a little bit crazier, but we're pretty busy next week now, so there's going to be sort of a week from now where if somebody wants this, they can specify whatever colour they want, whatever wheels, suspension, if they want some bigger brakes, if they want to change the interior, we can do whatever somebody wants to do. We're open to sort of ideas. It's a 2-litre TDI. This one's got aircon, parking sensors, radar. This is a 150. It should be a 150. It might be a 110. Danny will double check. But we can tune it as well. Do whatever needs to be done basically. So if somebody wants it, there'll be a base price. If we're just doing it in a solid colour, which that'll flash up before your eyes now. But then if we're doing metallics, anything extra, I think we've already factored in doing the roof black and then a different colour. Originally we were going to go sort of Porsche theme, like a nice Porsche grey or something like that, but we'd rather open it up to whoever wants it, get it done exactly how they want, because I think it's a perfect opportunity for somebody. So yeah, we've got a week to decide, otherwise it just goes whatever we all decide and then it'll be up for sale. So we'll try and keep an eye on them when they're doing it, but this video will be going out as it is now pretty quickly, and yeah, keep Alan and Dave busy next week.